Hello, everyone. Welcome you all to the third and final day of this Embodied Intelligence Conference 2025. I'm Thilina Lalitharathe. I'll be chairing this morning session. Some practical information before we start, because we need to have some housekeeping. So all the talks will be recorded except for breakout rooms. And then only speakers and chairs will be unmuted. So if you have any questions, you can use our WhatsApp channel, WhatsApp community. You can join our WhatsApp community via this link. And then also you can chat us via Zoom chat as well. And then if you have any technical issues or problems, same way you can use our Zoom chat or WhatsApp channel or even email. We do have a LinkedIn page for Embodied Intelligence Conference. So if you like, you can follow this page to get more information about this community, and then also some future events we are going to organize within this community. And then last few years, we ran a few proceedings related to EI 21, 22, 23. And this year also we are running another EI proceeding. So if you are interested in submitting a paper, you are more than happy to do that. So deadline is 31st of August. More details can be found in our website. And then, of course, our conference, EI conference, are free of charge, but we welcome any voluntary contributions. So this is a totally optional registration. So if you like, if you have a capacity to do that, feel free to do that via this link. Right. Before we move into the third and final exciting day of our event, I want to quickly give a quick summary about last 2 days. So we had 3 fantastic talks, preliminary talks by Nicola, John, and Emily. So I want to kind of summarize quickly what they discussed. So Nicola actually discussed about type of body shaping memory, predicting and learning. And then she also discussed use of body situational memory and experience through magic tricks. And then a lot of interesting discussion on timescale differences in human body and animal cognition. And then during the afternoon plenary talk, John discussed or talk about reconstruction of evolutionary biomechanics. And then he also explained about testing locomotor hypothesis for early dinosaurs. Importance, and then also we discuss about importance of reverse computational simulations, and then functionality of passive body parts in efficient locomotion. And then in the evening keynote, Emily discuss about importance of local sensory feedback loops in locomotion, especially experimental approach to find the reason behind different locomotive patterns in animals. So the main key takeaways we summarize. So magic can help understand animal mind, part of limb in shaping cognition, simulation of key aspects in animal kinematics, and then finally mechanical coupling and body morphology contribute to intelligence in systems. And then we had a nice, fantastic 2 short talks and panel discussion. So these were the panel members. So they mainly discuss about the foundation of AI as an intercontinental dynamical systems. Some discussion were on use of living materials as inspiration for robot development and simulations. And then Tanya discussed about standardization of soft robotics through origami-inspired designs, and then had a discussion about robot creating meaningful connection with environment, sensory integration as open challenge for soft robots, and then aesthetic advantages of soft robots as well. The key takeaways from these sessions were actuation strategies, medical application of soft robotics, and then specifically a complex and dynamic and interconnection interaction as ghost circuits, especially Trish suggested these ideas. And then for the first time in this EI conference, we introduced a new type of breakout session called masterclasses. So we had very successful 2 masterclasses during day 1. Which one was led by Cecilia, and then the evening masterclass was led by Josh. And then together with that, we had six different breakout sessions in these areas. Right. If I quickly give a bit of a summary of day two, Hiroki started with his plenary talk on human complexity. Requires like complex genetics. Specifically, he discussed about timescale differences between normal activities and sleep, and then also cancer effect of sleep and body dynamics. And then we had very interesting and very inspiring talk from Michael. He discussed about communicating with general material of life, and then radical changes in sensory motor system behavior do not require a round of adaptation. And then, of course, he highlighted that morphogenesis is not hardwired; it is hackable. And then in the evening talk, Karen discussed about intellectual and behavior aspects of children, and then how babies acquire functional and adaptive behaviors. So out of these, three fantastic plenary talks, some of the main key takeaways were mechanism of sleep, collective intelligence of the body, concept of novel being, and then also a very interesting question about the whole AI community. Can AI exist without a body? Which is, I think, a very interesting question. And then, of course, similar to day one, we had other two fantastic short talk panels. So they are mainly the panel is the speakers. They discuss about using dynamic bodies as computers, and then also there's a lot of huge emphasis on hardware and robots. So Jenny discussed about the area funding landscape around finding capable hardware with AI advancements, and then tactile interaction and visual haptic interaction perception, and then baby behavior for baby humanoid robots, and then some interesting discussion about distributed embodied intelligence in swarm systems. And then very interesting another aspects of embodied might not be the right word. It could be a mechanical computation, which is, I think, a brilliant question. And then finally, building resilient systems. So the key takeaway from these two panel discussions were mainly importance of intelligence in bodies in hardware or bodies of hardware, and then distributed embodied intelligence concepts, and then better alternative ways to explain embodied intelligence. And then we had two master classes as well. One was led by Kohei, and then other one was led by Joshi, and then simultaneously we had six other breakout session along these different topics. Right. Yeah, that's a very quick summary. So I don't want to take a lot of time about this because we have a really exciting agenda today. So we're going to start with Professor Robert Rainer's plenary talk at the beginning, and then we have another very exciting panel discussion led by Paramet, and then Fumia will conclude the conference. I mean the main conference, but then we have very exciting breakout session together with Fumia's masterclass as well. So. Without further ado, I will, invite. It's my great pleasure to invite Professor Robert Rainer. He's a professor in ETH Zurich, and then he's going to talk about do robot outperform humans in human-centered, domains. So over to you, Robert.